and chefettes, we are back. We want to say thank you for watching. And to our new subscribers, welcome. You're going to we have nothing but great things in store for you. What are you doing?
Why are you following me?
What are you doing? They see
You
us.
don't have to follow me.
They see us. Guys, it's going to be a long day. But we have something great in store for you guys.
What's up, YouTube? We are back. Damn. It's going down tonight because it's Taco Tuesday. What's the matter? How you do the Taco Tuesday dance?
Oh.
Give me some space. Let me show you how to do the Taco Tuesday dance.
Hey, Macarena tacos! That's what you did. Look.
Help wanted. So, as you know, we are making tacos tonight. Not one, but two types of tacos. You want to tell them the first type we make it? Please get it right.
We are making jerk chicken soft tacos.
Yeah, boy. And also, we're going to make beef hard tacos.
Yep.
And as a special treat, we're also going to show you guys how to make a mild homemade salsa. If you've been following us from day one, you've seen the spicy hot salsa.
It was hot.
But today we're going to make a milder version of that.
Yes.
Anything you want to say? Dab! Dab! All right. So stay tuned, because when we're coming back, it's going down.
We are back, guys, and we want to show you what ingredients we use for the jerk chicken, what we're going to use for the ground meat, and the salsa. So pay attention. This is important. We have chili powder, garlic powder, onion powder, sazon, orange sazon, jerk seasoning mix, black pepper, and taco seasoning mix. I'm going to tell you guys what you need for each separately. For the ground beef, we'll use all of our powdered seasonings you have here. Okay, we'll season it on top of the stove. And we'll add the taco seasoning mixed with the ground beef. Oh, we also have hard tacos and soft tacos. Almost forgot that, that's important. How could we have tacos without tacos? Here, we already seasoned and we have jerk chicken strips, chicken breast. We use all the powdered seasonings with thyme in addition to the spicy jerk seasoning mix. This is way better than mild. You want jerk chicken? Get the spicy.
But hold it up so we can see.
You can see?
Bring it real close, Ooh, Walker's Wood traditional jerk season, hot and spicy.
Want it hot?
Oh yeah.
Oh yes.
Spicy.
And over here, we have our ingredients for the salsa. We have chopped up tomatoes, onions, cilantro.
Yeah, and look at that fat jalapeno pepper. That thing big. What the jail is that? That
Guys,
thing big.
When you guys see us using pepper, we always get the biggest, fattest pepper we could possibly find. If this ain't fat, like...
That thing fat.
Fat.
Ooh, and don't forget the lime in the background.
Yes.
The
And we
lonely
have
lime.
a green lime, okay? So in this salsa, we are going to add onion powder, garden powder, and a little bit of
Black pepper.
black pepper. All right, guys? So stay tuned, and when we come back, you'll see what we did.
Hey, what's up? I'm back. So let me show you what I'm up to. Hey, boo.
Hey.
Come close, come close. So I got the ground beef cooking for them beef tacos, that beef hard tacos. And I got the seasoned chicken breast strips that was marinated in that Walker's Wood hot and spicy jerk seasoning over here. So now what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna add some seasoning. This is already seasoned, so I'm gonna add some seasoning to the ground beef. I'll take a little garlic powder. Put some garlic powder in there. Take some onion powder. Put some onion powder in there. You know, dance and make the food taste better. Oh, 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 oh. Put a little sazon in there. Oh yeah, that sazon, that's that orange sazon. We're gonna save the taco seasoning for last. First we wanna get that, the other seasoning in there, give it good flavor. And then I'm gonna put a little bit of onions in there. Fresh, diced up onions we're gonna put in there. Did I forget anything? No, boo? We good?
Yeah.
Why you look so mad?
Let's focus.
You focus?
Yep.
What you focus on? Recording?
Making sure you do what you're supposed to do.
Do what I'm supposed to do. That's my supervisor, everybody. That's my supervisor. So we're gonna stir that up. We're gonna stir this up a little bit. Let me check on these chicken breast strips, make sure they ain't burning. So guys, I'm gonna let the ground beef cook a little bit, let all that extra water dry up. When that extra water dries up, then I'm going to add the taco seasoning, all right? So when we come back, the ground beef will be cooked. The chicken breast, the jerk chicken breast will be cooked. So stay tuned, all right? And I'm cooking chef. I should change my name to the dancing chef. What y'all think? Comment below. I'm gonna change my name to the dancing chef. And I'm out.
Hey guys, we're back and we're going to make salsa. We're going to combine all the ingredients and show you how it's done, alright?
Mild salsa.
So we have the tomatoes, okay? We have the onions. This is one lime that I cut in half. Can you see it? Just one lime. And we have...
Cut. You ain't do the dance. Yeah, you know, dance and make the food taste better. Let me see the dance. What the hell? Oh my god.
I think that was good enough.
What do you guys think? Comment below. Subscribe and share. Make sure y'all subscribe.
And don't steal my moves.
Please don't steal her
Thank
moves. You will be laughed at.
No, you won't.
Laughing stock of the party.
You become popular. Alright guys, so we have our hot pepper.
Jalapeno.
Okay? We're not putting this bad boy, fat boy in there. We just wanted to show you guys what we chopped up. So we're going to put this to the side. Very important. It's important to put the lime first with the tomatoes so it can absorb it, okay? So let me squeeze this in here for you guys. Oh, and the cilantro. How could I put the cilantro? It gives it that extra kick. Alright, so let's squeeze this in here. I put some oomph into it, some muscle. I don't know if I pagar muscles today. Look.
Don't make that face.
What's I supposed to do?
Don't make that face. Please. I'm gonna screenshot that face and post it on the channel. You gotta dance.
So we squeeze these 2 lines. Alright? Let me get a spoon. So important. So we can mix it up and it can just see. I'm gonna show you guys in 2 seconds how much juice we got out of these lines.
Whatever work throws your way. Easy care has your back.
Alright, look how much liquid we got from this lime. And that's gonna make the salsa. Y'all see that?
I smell it.
It is gonna be so delicious.
It smells yummy.
Next, we're gonna put some onions. Woo! Make sure you get it all in there.
Yeah. Every last drop. Ay, Dios mío.
And the pepper. And the pepper. And the pepper.
Oh my God! I am dying. I am dying.
Oh, girl, all the shit don't that work. Fire. All right, and the cilantro. Ooh. Get everything because this is important. All right, so we have all this goodness. We'll. Ooh, I'm missing some pieces.
And this is the mild
This
homemade
is the mild,
salsa.
the mild homemade salsa. Black pepper, onion onion powder and garlic powder going in this bad boy. And the longer it sits, the better it'll taste. So we recommend at least 1 day overnight to sit because then everything will be absorbed and it'll taste delicious. I mean, if you guys are hungry, like we normally are, you could go ahead and take some chips, some Tostitos, and dip it in it, eat it, or put it on your tacos, whatever you guys prefer. But like we said, the longer it sits, the better it tastes. We're just gonna put a little bit of black pepper in here. Some garlic powder, a little bit guys, because the cilantro and the lime and all the fresh seasoning is already gonna give it the kick it needs. So don't add too much, okay? And this is onion powder. It's gonna be the best tacos y'all ever have. So make sure y'all use that recipe. And if you use that recipe, let us know. Comment below, alright? Subscribe, like, and let us know what you think and how y'all liked it if y'all make it. I suggest y'all make it. And that's really all to it, guys. Mix it together. Y'all see me mixing it? Y'all can see it's about gold. And y'all see how great these colors look together? Don't mind me making a mess.
Drop the piece.
I dropped the piece. Don't mind me. And that's it, guys. Mix it all together, let it sit, and then enjoy. All right, guys. We'll see you guys next time. When we come back, we'll show you guys how the tacos look, and we're out. Hey guys, we're back, and guess what? We are finished. Everything is done, and we are starving. So let us show you what we have. We have the hard tacos with the ground meat. We have cheese. Wait a second. Let me show you what kind of cheese we put in here. We put like this Mexican blend that has cheddar, Monterey Jack, queso, quesadilla, Oswego cheese blend. Can't even say that. Why don't you say it? What is it?
I don't know.
You don't know. Me neither. Alright, well, a blend of cheeses. So we put that in the hard tacos. It's kind of like a taco blend with some shredded lettuce that we chopped up here with our salsa. Alright? And we also took some Tostitos and put it with the salsa because you can also have it as a chip and a dip, not only in your taco. How amazing, right? And we have our jerk chicken taco here. We didn't put cheese in this taco, just some lettuce and some salsa. And when we're done, if you guys like or not, you could throw some sour cream on top of these tacos. And that's about it, guys. That's all there is to it. So, if you like this video, if you like what we have, comment below, like and subscribe. Make sure to tell a friend. And until next time, we're out, guys.